Is the taskbar not auto-hiding in Windows? Then you can follow these steps we have for you in this video. Now you can always start with checking the taskbar settings. All you have to do is right-click anywhere on an empty spot on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings from the resulting menu. Now under Task Behaviors, click the checkbox that reads Automatically Hide the Taskbar. You can also try restarting Windows Explorer process. For you to do that, open Task Manager, go to Processes tab, locate Windows Explorer, then right-click on it, then select Restart. Now take note that the taskbar will disappear for a brief moment before reappearing. After that, see if the issue is still there. Lastly, check your active applications and programs. Another reason why the Windows taskbar may not hide is if an active application or program needs your attention. In that case, the application's icon on the taskbar will also glow. Now you can simply click on the glowing app icon on the taskbar and deal with the application alert or notification. Following that, the taskbar should now hide automatically. Those are the following fixes if your taskbar is not auto-hiding on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.